Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this fine material. Is a flower material, and we are going to use it for a top, a deep neck top that we are going to use it on. So please, and it will also be free like kimono top. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and let's get started now. Go ahead now to fold my fabric. I'm going to fold it in 4 pieces like this. So this is my folding. So this is the first layer, and this is the second layer, that is the 4 piece now. So we are going to cut the front and the back all together, and I will also going to measure what I folded here is 12.5 inches that is here. So we'll go ahead now to take our measurement now. So I will start with my neckline. So I'm going to mark 3 inches on my neckline, 3 inches, and to bring down the depth neckline, is deep, so I'm going to take it up to 6 inches, or let me put it 7 inches like this. That is where the deep neck will be, 7 inches. And I will also mark 3 like this, like 3 like this, and then bring it to that 3 inches. So look at what I'm doing on this neck. So I'm going to cut it like this, that is round like this, and then to the depth that we want, that is that 7 inches, from that 3 inches that I marked. So what I have here is 4. You can see that 3 and 4 altogether is that 7 inches. So that is it. That is the front neck. So I will also go ahead now to mark my back neck. So I'm going to mark 1 inch. So that is my 1 inch, and also curve it because it's a round at the back. So we're done with the front neck line now. So that is it. So then I will go ahead now to measure from my shoulder. I'm going to mark 9 inches. That is where our armhole will start. It's a kimono style that we are making, that we are cutting. So then on that line that I marked, that 9 inches, I will place my tape there and get my body measurement. So I'm going to mark that 11.5 inches, and then add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. And then to take my length, I'll go ahead now to place my tape on the upper part and get my length. My length that I'm having here is 22 inches. So that is my 22 inches for the length. And then from this point that we mark our body point measurement for the armhole, that is where we curve it like this, because this is where it will form our sleeve. So from here to here we form the sleeve. So I'm going to mark it to that 12 inches like this, 12.5 inches like this, and then bring it down like this. So that is it. So this is the body measurement that we just did now. So what I will do now, I will go ahead now to cut it out, because this kimono style and it's not too hard to cut. So please subscribe and watch this video down to the end, and also comment. And also, if you don't understand this video, please watch it again so that you can see all the details that we just explained here now. So let me cut. I will start from the back neckline and cut. For me not to forget, please, I want to slope my shoulder, and then I'm going to mark 1 inch to slope it down. So I'm sloping it by 1 inch. So that is it. So I will continue to cut. So this is how to cut this kind of style. So just to open the other side like this. So you can see where I'm cutting. So this is where our armhole will form, and that's where this sleeve will also form, because it's cut together that we are cutting it now. So I finished cutting it. So what I will do, I will pull out the back side of the body now to cut our front neck. So this is the back. So I will also place the front side so that we can cut that our deep neck line. So this is what I'm going to do. So just to cut it out like this. So you can see that I use half inch to cut it out. So that is it now. So let me also open it for you to see how the front neck is now. So you can see how deep it is. So this is the front neckline now. So you can see. So let me go and join it, that is the front and the back. We'll start from the shoulder and join it, and then using half inch to stitch the body because it will be free. It's a kimono top that we are making. So let me do that now. So our top is ready to wear out. I'm going to join the body part, the shoulder, and as you can see, the deep neckline. So this is how we come to today tutorials for the day. So we have finished cutting it and you can see how it is now. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can learn and watch and comment also. So I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.